All right, so part A is asking you to show what dy dx is equal to. So essentially they gave you the answer, but you're going to need to obviously show all of the work that would give you that answer. So again, we're going to start by implicit differentiation. So we're going to take the derivative of 2y cubed, which would be 6y squared. Again, don't forget dy dx because we're taking the derivative of a y. Now here we're going to do the product rule. So we're going to take the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first, which would be 12x. Then we've got minus 24x plus 6, come on 6, dy dx, and then that equals 0. Okay, now as we've done in all the other ones, we are going to take everything with a dy dx, and we're going to keep it on, let's say, the left side this time, and we're going to factor out a dy dx. So that being the case, we will, let's just fix that. Okay, so in that being the case, we are going to factor out that dy dx, and we'll get 6y squared plus 6x squared plus 6. And then we are going to, on the other side, move this, and we're going to move that. So that would become a positive 24x, and then minus a 12xy. Okay, we're trying to get dy dx by itself, so we are going to divide by what's in front, or being multiplied, I should say, by the dy dx. And we're going to get 6y squared plus 6x squared plus 6 as the denominator. All right, and then lastly, probably what I would do is I would just look at that and I would say, well, they all have a factor of 6, so let's divide everything by 6. So that would be 4x minus 2xy, which so far matches what they wanted us to have. If you look at the numerator of part A, okay, that works. And then in the denominator here, we have y squared plus x squared plus 1, which is essentially what they have in the denominator of the given question. They just had x squared plus y squared equals 1. But remember, addition's commutative, so that doesn't really matter. There we go. That's your answer for part A. Okay, all done.